Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about character animation, camera and character controller. First of all, we set a few variables for animation, rotation angle, and a few others like for our key presses and key releases. Then we set, well, first of all we get a reference to the character animations. If you remember my previous video, we combined all the animation into one in Blender. So basically we need to get a reference to those two animation, run and idle. Then we set the player keyboard logic to detect keyboard press on key up and key down. That's for controlling the character, obviously. We also set negative and positive values when we do a press. So we do a plus, whether you're going left or right. We set these vertical and horizontal variable. We set the values in +1 or -1. Then the next thing is we then declare our move function, move player function, to move our character. Basically, we use horizontal move and vertical move variables, which are calculated inside a update loop function. Using run speed, a constant value, multiplied by delta time, to determine how fast the character should go. You can always play with this those values to see the speed value. The next thing is we then calculate an angle. We grab the vertical value and the horizontal value to determine the angle the character should be facing, using the mat.8and2 function. Then that value, the angle value, is then used to determine the character rotation. So this is based on whether you're going left, right, up, down. If you press both, like up and left, it will calculate the angle, and that will be the rotation for the character. A quick thing to note is whilst the character is moving, there's a chance of the character tilting and falling over. In order to fix that, the way to fix that is to freeze the character on X and Z axis, specifically the rotation. Freeze the rotation on X and Z axis so the character doesn't tilt over, using rotation quaternion, and also setting the physics angular velocity to 0 vector. For the camera, what we need to do is basically set the locked target variable to the character mesh, not the player box, but looking at the actual character mesh data, and that would have the camera following the character around whilst the character is moving. So, and that's all we have to do for this video. I'll see you in the next one.